Um, Here's my fucked up car. Like I said, pretty much crashed. Insurance fucking gay as fuck. Well, just ghetto, cause I'm broke. The cover broke off. And everything on the inside's pretty good. Just the grill got broken. Bumper's a little messed up. Don't really care about it. Just gotta fix my light over there, and obviously my hood. It's all fucked up. I just want to get it started. It's fucking won't turn on. Watch. Put the key in right now. I'm gonna try to start it so you could see. It was sitting for about, for like 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks, and I didn't want to move it because I thought the other guy's insurance would cover it. It's a long story. You can just see my post. And then I turned it on. There's like a couple white smoke, but it was good. I turned it off. About a week later, I turned it on, and my other car had its battery drained. So I went to go take off the battery, and when I came back, the car was off. Tried turning it on again. The battery was dead, so I just got another battery, thinking that was gonna be it. So I got it, and it won't turn on. Like, you can see what happens and hear it, and it doesn't want to. It's on park. Tried it on neutral and giving it a little bit of gas, but I don't think that helps at all. So if anyone can help me, thanks, I guess. But yeah, won't turn on. I have no idea what it is, so yeah, if anyone can help me, appreciate it. There's my other fucked up car. Like the Passat better.